Hey CAE aspirants, this is Nachiket from ELENO, and I will show you what I'm doing now and something exciting. Yeah, this is my screen. So you can actually see. Okay, can you see that? So we are launching this offer, which is 1 day drop. Okay, and it is Black Friday, which is 28th of November. Valid across all courses: silver, gold, gold plus plus diamond, and you will have a full access to the courses at 30% off, no questions asked. This will be valid only for 1 day. Make sure you are availing this offer. Make sure your credit cards are ready. Make sure you are ready with your bank, what I can say, bank balance. And the links will be dropping to you soon. Those who are interested to avail it early, you can connect with us. We will send you the payment links, which will be valid for what is 1 day drop. If you really are interested in learning CAE, I think this is the best time, because from 1st of January, we will be increasing our prices. And we really want you to take full advantage of this Black Friday offer, which is just for 1 day. See you then.